ShootProof is an online gallery system built for photographers to share and sell their work online.
Sort of the back end of their business and creating an opportunity for them to focus on the core, which is shooting and delivering great images.
Really be able to build the business of their dreams.
The product that we build, it does many, many things millions of times a day. But essentially what it does at its core is empower people to live the best version of their life that they can live.
User experience plays a really important role here at ShootProof. No matter what device or where you are, ShootProof's ready.
I can count on the ShootProof galleries to be very fast and performant, and a big part of the reason why is JPEGmini.
That original client file is so important. We retain that original, but we're also prepared.
And what JPEGmini allows us to do is to create resizes of those images that are half or less the size of the original JPEG file we're receiving.
Incredible compression ratios and incredible decreases in file size without sacrificing any image quality at all. It helps us deliver fewer bytes over the wire, which helps us optimize performance solution for our clients.
Most people don't even realize that there's a difference, that something's happening in the background.
There's additional cost you pay Amazon, the more and more images that you store, and for us there's also bandwidth you're paying. It allows us to have a better cost base for our photographer to maintain a good price.
It helps us run faster as a business.
Focus on what matters most. That is the awesome thing. I know that the thing that I build today is helping all of these people out there have the job and the career and the business that they want to have, and really empowering them to have freedom.